This is my 2013 Samsung French door refrigerator, and the model number is RF261BEAEBC. And today I'm going to show you how to fix this part right here. The bottom part is the freezer right here. When the handle is it's not broken, but the right here, the pieces of plastic right here inside the handle is broken. So today I'm going to show you how to fix this part right here. This so this side right here is okay. You see the plastic is really bad design right here. They have the plastic right here, so plastic hook up to this screw right here. This part, this end is okay, but this end right here, you see it's broken. Broken into pieces because of really bad design right here. And the first thing you need to do is just remove the screw right here. There's a screw right here. Just take a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw. And I ordered one from Amazon, so you can order this part right here. They give you two of them right here, one for each end. But since this part is it's working, you don't need to replace this. You only replace this part right here. So this part right here came with a little screw right here. It's a headless screw, so take it out, and right here you can fit the Allen wrench in there right here. See the little screw right here. To take it out, take an Allen wrench to screw it in, take an Allen wrench to screw it back in, and just push this part in, and right there, and then just don't forget to put the screw back in. Right, just tighten up the screw. So hold on to this plastic part right here. Okay, it's secure. Make sure it's tight. Okay, now the first thing you need to do is you have to work from this end right here. So you see there's a little groove right here. Make sure you fit that screw in there. Right there, fit that screw in. And this part you do the same thing. Just fit it in. And remember this little screw right that I took out. It's pull out the drawer a little bit, and just try to fit this in that hole right here. You use your finger, and after you get to this far right here, you can't go anymore. This is where the Allen wrench come in. It's got a little hole right here. Push the Allen wrench will fit into that hole, and then just keep turning it. All right. That's it. It works. Simple fix. So save this part right here. Save the one on this end, just in case this one breaks. You can use that one. So save this one. So the two parts right here, the two little plastic part right here, it costs not that much. I think like about 10 bucks. So you can order from Amazon, and this is easy fix. So this is how to fix a Samsung French door refrigerator handle. And now you can open it again. Before it was broken. See? All good to go. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something here. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.